Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about NordVPN plans and pricing. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so NordVPN's pricing can seem like a moving target because it operates on two axes: plan tiers and subscription length. Now, the rule of thumb with NordVPN is absolute. Never pay month to month if you only need it for a short vacation. And the longer you commit, as you can see here, the price drops by over 66%. As you can see, for a 1-year plan, you can save up to 66%. For 2 years, you can save 75%. Now, as you can see here, NordVPN splits its service into 4 tiers, but in the screen, only 3. So why is that? That will be Prime subscription right here if you live in the US or United States. But first on, let's talk about the basic one. So choose basic if you want a simple privacy in streaming, or if you just want to rock a solid VPN to protect your data on public Wi-Fi, mask your IP address, bypass throttling, and unblock streaming regions like Netflix or Hulu. This is all you need. All right. It includes full high-speed VPN access, security for up to 10 devices simultaneously, which is good, and a standard tracker and ad blocking as well. Now we have here the complete plan, or in some regions it's called plus plan, right? So this is the sweet spot for everyday users. So for roughly around $0.50 or $1 more per month than the basic tier, the plus or complete plan bundles in full digital utilities. As you can see here, we have a ton of features in here. So you'll get anything or everything in basic, plus Threat Protection Pro, advanced network level malware defense that scans downloads. You'll have NordPass as well, which is a standalone premium password manager, and a data breach scanner that alerts you if your email leaks online. Now the third one here, we have the Complete Max. So this tier right here targets users who want a secure alternative to Google Drive or Dropbox. So everything that is in here from a complete or plus plan, you'll have that as well under Complete Max, alongside what? 1 terabyte of NordLocker encrypted cloud storage. All right. As you can see here, you have that under complete as well. But the only thing that you don't have if you have the complete or plus plan is that you don't have a dedicated IP. Now, if you want the Complete Max, you'll have your own dedicated IP. Now, lastly, let's not forget about the Prime plan, which are from the US, or for users who are primarily at the United States. Now, that one is the Nord's Ultimate Security Suite. Now, how do you get that? You'll need to reach out to NordVPN support to get that plan. And those are NordVPN plans and pricing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.